Someone made $500 using this exact method. No special skills, no expensive gear. Just a laptop, an internet connection, and the right steps. And the best part? You can do it too. This isn't about taking surveys or chasing unrealistic promises. These are real websites with real people paying you real money, especially if you're in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, or Australia. But guess what? They also work in places like Nigeria, India, Kenya, and beyond. Stick around because toward the end, I'll show you how to turn this into something even bigger. Income that keeps rolling in, even when you're asleep. Let's dive in. One of the best platforms to start with is Upwork. It's a massive freelancing marketplace where clients from Tier 1 countries are actively looking for talent. You don't need to be an expert. With the right tools, even beginners can look like pros. Think AI-powered writing, video editing, or website design. Clients regularly pay $25 to Racher, $150 per hour, especially when you present your work the smart way. Start by building a clean, professional profile. Add samples created with AI tools like Canva, ChatGPT, or Opus Clip. No experience, no problem. Just create mock projects. Send 10 personalized proposals daily and offer a free audit or trial to earn your first few reviews. Once you get those 2-3 wins, you'll gain momentum fast. Next is freelancer.com. Think of it as Upwork's cousin, less competitive and filled with clients who need quick, cost-effective help. What kind of help? AI video captions, blog writing, prompt engineering, virtual assistant work. You can do most of it with ChatGPT and basic tools. Stand out with custom proposals and fast delivery. Include phrases like, "I'll deliver in 24 hours," or "AI enhanced for accuracy." Once you land a few repeat clients, this becomes consistent weekly cash. $100 here, $300 there, all adding up. Then there's Remote OK. This is for those who want stable, remote gigs from startups and tech companies. You'll find listings like content reviewer for AI tools, prompt engineer intern, or even remote email assistant, all paying $25, $50 an hour. And most of them don't require a formal degree. Here's the secret. Apply fast and showcase how you use AI tools to work smarter, not harder. Attach a Notion portfolio, include a sample automation workflow, and you're light years ahead of 90% of applicants. Combine this with consistency, and you'll have long-term income. People per hour is next. This UK-based platform gives you access to British and European clients who pay in pounds. Less competition, high-quality leads, and it's a goldmine for freelancers doing things like product descriptions, video subtitles, SEO content, and Shopify work. Start small, go for speed and value, then pitch a retainer package. I'll manage your content monthly using AI. If you position yourself as a specialist, say AI-enhanced SEO for Shopify, you'll attract better-paying clients fast. Use UK time zone to your advantage and deliver overnight for them. Now let's talk Fiverr. Everyone knows Fiverr, but most people are doing it wrong. They offer basic gigs, compete on price, and fade into the noise. But there's a booming demand for AI gigs. Things you can do in 15 minutes are being sold for $50, $100, even $200. Here's what sells. Turning blog posts into faceless YouTube videos, writing viral hooks with ChatGPT, editing reels using AI and CapCut. Stand out by creating striking thumbnails, fast delivery, and offering juicy add-ons, like including subtitles, thumbnails, or a voiceover. The smartest Fiverr sellers build multiple gig profiles for different services. One account for AI voiceovers, another for YouTube video creation, a third for prompt packs. This spreads your reach and lets you test what works best. Now here's where we go from making money to building scalable income streams. First up, faceless YouTube channels. No talking, no showing your face. Just scripts written by AI, voiceovers from 11 Labs, and videos made with Pictory or Opus Clip. You can build these channels around trending money topics, AI hacks, or side hustles. Monetization comes from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Start by combining shorts and long-form content to hit the YouTube partner requirements fast. After that, each video becomes an asset, earning you money 24/7. Second, selling AI-powered digital products on Gumroad or Payhip. Think prompt bundles, Notion templates, ebooks, toolkits. You create it once and it sells again and again. Some hot products include ChatGPT prompts for business owners, resume bundles, or AI content calendars. Use ChatGPT to generate the content, Canva for design, then upload. Promote it using free traffic, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok. Use curiosity-based hooks like, "This $10 AI toolkit made me $500 in 5 days." It's believable, it's scalable, and it works. Third, create a one-page AI service business website using durable.co. It literally takes 30 seconds to set up. Offer services like customer support automation, AI email marketing, or content repurposing. Find small businesses, do cold outreach, and offer a free AI audit. Use Loom to send personalized video pitches. Many clients don't understand AI, but they're ready to pay someone who does. Combine a simple website, strong offer, and follow-up, and you can charge monthly retainers or setup fees. Automate the service with ChatGPT and a VA to scale. So what do we do with all this? You've just seen 5 websites that can pay you daily, and 3 ways to turn this into something that doesn't depend on constant hustle. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. Someone just made $500 using this method, and that could easily be you. Start with the platform that fits your vibe. Don't wait, don't overthink. Take messy action. Pick one site, land your first job, then stack the methods. Momentum creates results. Want more faceless income strategies, AI-powered hustles, and money methods built for 2025? Then hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment with which strategy you're starting with today. The internet is paying people every single day. The only question is, when do you want to get paid? Let's get it. Smash the subscribe button and like in the video. Stick around for more scalable ways to make money online.